everybody. My name is Chao, Chao. It's my Chinese name, which means a person who can do something always beyond the expectation. Maybe my daddy heard me can do something better than his expectation. Actually, I don't know what his expectation, but I'm a diligent person, and I try to do everything in my best. In the past 11 years, I was working in a commercial bank in risk management area. I devote a lot of time and energy in my beloved career, and I make a lot of contribution to our bank, and I get rewarded. I was promoted to the highest 3% top position in our bank. And last year, I immigrated to Canada with my wife and 2 kids. I hope to continue my career here in the new country. That's why I'm here now. In the future, I will continue to do my best, and I hope I can realize my dream. Thank you.